Hey guys, and today I want to review the Zuma, the Zuma toy gun. Now, it has a full black slab with a 5-dart clip, and the clip holds 5 darts. So, and again has full slide, and each time you pull back slide, and a trigger that like that, and when it pulls back, it's pretty cool. So, firing test, shall we? Got the clip. Whoops. Tactical take 2. Okay, so got the clip loaded up. Insert it into the gun and fire. Gun down. Sorry about that. Okay, I put the put the clip in wrong. Performance, terrible. I'm sorry, but the performance is not as good as a Nerf gun. So as you can see, the performance is terrible. Yeah, when I got the Blaster, I thought the performance would be awesome. And I thought the 5-dart clip down in your holes would be, without the little crosshair things in the clip. I thought that would make the performance better since there's no air restrictors. But I guess in this gun, without any air restrictors, performance is terrible. I'm sorry. Say that for all you Zuma fans. I think that's what it's called. I forgot. But the slam fire, he better slam fire, alright? Boom! So yeah, that's the review and firing test of the Zuma toy gun. Bye.